Good morning everyone. Today I am going to speak about editors in Linux. It is an important tool used by programmers, students and system administrator. In Linux, many tasks involves creating and modifying text files, configuration files, shell scripts and program source code. To perform these tasks efficiently, Linux provides various text editors. What is an editor? An editor is a software application used to create, view, and modify text files. An editors are essential because Linux store many system configuration files in text formats. Such administrators and programmers use editors daily to manage these files. Why is VI so hard to use? Like all things, it is not easy once you are used to how it works. The critical VI concept is a VI has two modes. These modes are insert and command. VI commands and insert mode, swapping modes. The importance of editor is create files, edit configuration file, write shell scripts, develop programs, maintaining log files, managing system settings. When you open a file in VI, you are in command mode by default. If you wish to edit the files, you need to switch to insert mode first. To exit insert mode, press to escape key. If you get used to this concept, you are halfway done to become a competent VI users. VI insert mode. Two common way to enter the insert mode upon opening a file include press the I key to start entering text direction after your cursor. Press the O key to add a new line below your cursor and to start adding text on the new line. Remember to exit insert mode, press the escape key at the time. Linux provides several powerful editors. These most commonly used VI editors. The VI editor is one of the oldest and most widely used Linux editors. VI command mode. Many commands in VI, but some most common and useful are press X. To delete a character at the time, press DD quickly to press the line you are on. Press / on text to search for the press. Enter. Press N to find the next occurrence of text. Press N to find the previous occurrence of text. Saving a file or how to exit VI. In VI, press the escape key to verify you are in command mode. Depending on what you want to do, press W, write the file to disk. WQ, write the file to disk, then quit. Q is quit the file. Q is quit and lose any changes made. Override or RO file permission you are owner or root and write the file disk. WQ overrides are if you are owner or root and write the file to the disk quite. Speed up of your coding file editing. In VI, press the escape key to verify you are in command mode. The search for the first occurrence something. String, press enter. N, press N for following occurrence. Press N for each previous occurrence. To replace all occurrences of string in a file. To replace all occurrences of string in a file. Speed things up some more. In VI, press the escape key to verify you are in command mode. These are the comments in special line number and start to end line, top to bottom line, bottom file. Undo the last changes you are made. Configuration file pattern. These are pattern to how configuration file work. The most common comment character is hash. After that you will see these comments. These are few others, but they are less common. Editing configuration file. Some configuration file, lots of commands and few directives. Others are opposite. Block of configuration may be indicated in a program manner. Editing configuration files count. Another standard is do the following: comment, default setting and default setting. Editing configuration file content. Things